In this video, we are going to see the simulation of roll of dice, and from that we will find the probability of the experiment. We know that in a rolling of a dice, the probability of every outcome is equal to 1 over 6, that is 0.167. This is our dice, and let's roll this dice 10 times. So after 10 times, 1 appeared 2 times, 2 appeared 1 time, 3 appeared 2 times, and likewise. Let's roll it further 50 times. So after 50 times, you can see that 2 appeared 11 times, 4 appeared 10 times, 3 appeared 6 times. Let's find the probability now. The probability of 1 which appeared 5 times out of 50 is equal to 1 over 10, that is 0.1, and it is less than 0.16. Probability of 2, it appeared 11 times out of 50, it is 0.22, it is greater than 0.167. From these observations, you have observed that some of the outcomes have probability greater than 1 over 6 and some has less than 1 over 6. Let's repeat this experiment for the next 100 times. So out of 100, you can observe that some of the bars are equal in length, equal in height, but still some of the bars have height lesser than the rest of the bars. So the probability of every outcome is not same right now. Let's repeat this experiment 500 times. After 500 rolls, still the probability of every outcome is not equal. Some have the probability less, some have probability greater than. So let's roll this die 1000 times now. After 1000 times, you can see this is our frequency distribution of rolling of dice. The probability of 1 is 150 out of 1000, that is 0.15, which is little bit lesser than 0.16. And the probability of 2 is 178 over 1000, which is 0.17, little bit higher than 0.16. Though the probability of each outcome is not equal right now, but they are getting very close to the probability of every outcome getting very close to 0.167, that is 1 over 6. Let's roll this dice 2000 times. So after 2003 rolls, the height of the bar is approximately equal. Let's see the probability is near to 1 over 6 or not. So the probability of outcome 1 is 324 over 2003. That is equal to 0.16, very close to 0.167. Let's check the probability of 5 now. That is 350 divided by 2003. It is equal to 0.17, which is very close to 0.167. That is 0.167 is approximately 0.17. So the probabilities are getting very close to each other now, and they are becoming equal to each other, and they are approaching towards the probability of 1 over 6. And if we keep on repeating this experiment further for 10,000 times, they will become very, very close to the probability of 1 over 6. Every outcome will have the probability 1 over 6. So from this experiment, we have observed that in the start of the experiment, some outcome have the probability greater than 1 over 6, some have less than 1/6. But if we keep on repeating the experiment, the probability of every outcome will become close to 1 over 6. And this was the simulation of rolling of dice. from which we get the frequency distribution, and from this frequency distribution we find the probability of each outcome.